Hello everyone, welcome back to Create Wealth of Currencies. If you're new to this channel, just whenever you get a chance, take a look through the channel. I talk about a lot of different things, like how to look for different trade setups, how to trade different patterns, um, double tops, head and shoulders, flags. Those are probably the most common patterns I trade on this channel. And I also make before and after videos on this channel. What does that mean? Basically, the first video would be me placing the trade, and then the following video would be the outcome of that trade, okay, whether it works or not. All right, because I like to keep the learning experience as simple as possible for you guys, okay. And so this would be the outcome video, okay. uh, the most previous video I made, which was I think it was like around Sunday or Monday, a few days ago. I was trading a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, as you can clearly see it right here. You got the left shoulder here, you got the head, and then you got the right shoulder. Okay, so this trade was valid. Okay, it worked. And so if you wanna, I recommend you watch the previous video if you wanna see the confirmations. I don't want to make this video today too long because, like I said, if you want to see the confirmations I used, I go into that in more detail in the previous video. Okay, but like I said, it worked. My prediction was valid, um, and just wanted to talk about this a little bit real quick. So I got in this trade like about Sunday, um, when the market opened. A few hours after that, Sunday, October 25th. Today is October 29th. Okay, I actually got out of this trade like very like early this morning. Okay, and when I got in this trade Sunday, this is all you saw. This is all you saw, like this right here. Okay. All right, so I got in a little early. Okay, because it actually went up a little bit. It wanted to retest the top of this channel here. Okay, and it wasn't done yet. It had tested once, came down a little, and then it did a retest. Okay, but it respected the top of the channel, and it also respected the fib level here. Okay, this was the 786. Okay, um, the fact that it had went up a little bit more, I redrew the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and I found another fib level that it was respecting. Okay, and like I said, so the confirmations, like I say in all my videos, before I get into a trade, I want to be confident in my trade before placing a trade. And how do you do that? I use a handful of confirmations because I want to be confident. I want to be comfortable. This is not casino. Okay, this is not a guessing game, but it's a probability game though. Okay, what I mean is the more confirmations you use, the higher your probability for success will be. Okay, I'm talking about like 85-90% success rate. Okay, if you take your time and use confirmations. Okay, what am I talking about? Basically, support and resistance. That's number one. Okay, I use that. Fibonacci level is number two. I use that. Okay, and actually in this trade, the fib level, for example, the 786, it's working as a support and resistance area. Okay, so it knocks two confirmations out right there. Okay, so support and resistance, Fibonacci level, pattern. What pattern am I trading? I was trading a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, left shoulder here, head, and then the right shoulder. Okay, looking at candles. That's the fourth confirmation. Is candles. Okay, the kind of candles that I like trading with uh, is the hammer candle, and I talk about that too a little bit in the last video. So like I said, that's why I want you to watch the previous video where it goes more in detail about the confirmations. Okay, but the hammer candles basically it looks like this right here. Okay, you will notice that almost every time, not all the time, that you will see a candle like this right before a reversal. Okay, right before the drop, or vice versa, right before uh, it goes up. Like this is would be the inverted hammer candle right there. Okay, another one right here, inverted right here. Okay, so this would be the bullish uh, hammer candle, and this would be the bearish right here candle. Okay, so I saw a few again right before the drop. Alright, I saw one right here. If you look at a different time frame, let me see. So another one. What the hell is that? Oops, sorry, clicked the wrong thing. What is that? Okay, let's X out that. Sorry about that. So yeah, so the hammer candle saw a few in the hour time frame right here. Okay, another one here. Okay, so like I said, guys, it's like, as long as you're using a handful of confirmations, you should be good. Okay, and that's exactly what I did, and I was highly confident in this trade, uh, mainly because of the pattern, also the head and shoulder pattern. All right, um, the success rate with that pattern, it's already like 85%, 83% success rate. Okay, you will almost always um, have a valid trade when you're trading a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so keep that in mind, and so you use that together with other confirmations, you should be good with that trade. Okay, obviously use a stop loss. Okay, so but yeah, there guys, the trade was valid. Okay, if you had gone in here, this is the ideal area to get in. Okay, because this right here, there's like well, this is the 786 fifth level, but this zone area is a neckline. Okay, it's not necessarily a line, but a zone area. Okay, it's a resistant area. Okay, so this is the ideal area to enter the trade for a sell position. Okay, so if you had gotten in this area here um, at the price at this 0.67 100 price, uh, the fall this fall here, and if you had gone out around here, that's 1,000 pips. Okay, that's 1,000 pips. All right, so if you're using the MetaTrader 4 app, and if you were using a lot size of 1.00, that would have been $1,000 profit. Okay, if you were using 2.00, that would have been $2,000 profit. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, if you were just using a 0.50 lot size, that would have been about $500 profit. Okay, so just so you can get the point. All right, guys. So that's about it. I just wanted to just give you an update. Follow a video on the head and shoulder pattern that I traded a few days ago. The New Zealand versus the U.S. dollar. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And take care.